Buddha used to tell his students that words are powerful, like a super sharp knife. He said our words can hurt people emotionally, even though they don't physically hurt. Words can be strong or weak, depending on when and how we use them. Now, let me share a story about the importance of staying silent. In India, there was a wise monk who lived in a quiet forest. A tired king asked for help, feeling upset and restless despite having everything. The monk suggested a 15-day experiment: live silently in his monastery. The king agreed, but the first day was tough. His mind was restless, and he wanted to talk. But as he stayed silent, something magical happened. Calmness and happiness replaced his restlessness. Days passed, and the king enjoyed nature and deep meditation. On the 12th day, he found profound inner peace. When he shared his discovery with the monk, he realized excessive talking and negative thoughts troubled his mind. The monk explained that many people today face similar troubles due to talking too much. He shared a story about Buddha, who stayed silent to know himself. Silence brings peace, even in crowded places. It's about finding peace inside, allowing thoughts to settle. Silence makes words harmonious, like music. By staying silent, you find inner strength, break free from pressure, and discover joy in life. Wise people use fewer words for success, while those who talk a lot often face problems. In ancient texts, silence is praised for bringing patience and self-awareness. Spending 20 minutes alone daily can bring positive changes to life. Join our community by liking, sharing, and commenting. Subscribe for more simple and wise stories. Thanks for walking this wise path with us.